I don't save. It all goes bye-bye. All right. Hello, clean with me. I know. I already have so much saved product that I'm trying to get rid of. There's no way I can save. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna grab an epoxy. All right, epoxy. I'll do this one. Yeah, literally, like, what can I, like, you can't clean with this. Laundry in there, I'm not doing that. There's recycled powder. I have certain products I like to clean my house with. If I save, it'll just overload my garage. We would have to, no, like nobody ever asked. I've never ever had anyone ask for a save bottle, ever. And I'm not even gonna try to ship a bottle of chemicals that have bleach and all this stuff in it. Are you gonna buy me a shed to save all this product in? Like, what do you mean? I've never had anyone actually ask to buy. I've never had anyone ask to put it in a combo or see it in the sink. Right? I shouldn't, honestly. It's so annoying. There's a poll that has all the frequently asked questions. If you want to know the answers, click the poll. Yeah, I'm not going to look at the chat for a little bit. I bought these products yesterday, so they're not expired. Oh yeah, we made it to the FYP. It hasn't got that bad just yet. I don't think we need to put anyone in timeout. Yeah, everything is in that was sent for. So suds are, we have, I don't know, probably at least 70 cans left. A million liquids. I mean, I put in fabric softener and dish soap. I have a little bit of that left over to do a couple more bombs. So I'm gonna do that right now. But then after that, I started a year ago. Thank you for the heart puffs. After that, we won't have any more. I'm glad you like watching. My stash is pinned on my page. And then my very first video that I posted today is what's everything that's on my counter. If I show it in the video, I'll get a like a violation. If I show it in live. Yeah, I just started, this is my 3rd week going live. I did Thursday and Friday the last 2 weeks, and so far I've made it Tuesday and Wednesday this week. All right, we still have, I didn't realize we didn't use all the bleach still, so that's my bad. And I still have some dish soap of the one that I pulled out to add for us, so we're gonna do that. All right, after these 4 squeezes, that's all the product we have added in. Coley, are you on 2 lives at once? Of course she is. No, okay. All right, are we done with this? We want to add. So here, do we want to do a fake rinse? That means someone's got to send for a fake rinse. Do we just want to do a rinse and be done? Do we want to get rid of this, do a rinse and start over? Do we want to just dump it and start over? Oh no, it's 1.6. What would you guys like to do? I'm not saving it. I'm not saving a single thing. So where that is out of the question. That was not an option. so crazy. This isn't my first, well, this may be in the first live that I got that high. I think I've seen 1.5 before, but I don't know. I'm not doing a save. Thank you for the heart me. Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying your lunch to this. So are we doing, we just dumping this? Are we doing a fake rinse? Yes, I added laundry powder. I'm not saving it. How many times do I have to say that? My God. All right. Dumping water.